In this video, you'll see how to make a lovely buttercream sunflower cake. It starts with a 6-inch 3-layer vanilla Guinness cake that Scott and I made a few weeks ago on this channel. My first thought was to do a semi-naked look, but I changed my mind and went with a vertical wooden fence effect. I used a fondant tool and straight cornflower color gel painted over the light blue. This is a mix of moss green, brown, and a little yellow. You can save a lot of time and effort by saving small amounts of colored frosting for future projects. Petals will be made with a 103 and yellow frosting. The stems, leaves, and centers will be made using the green, a small round number 3, and a 352. You'll also need a small amount of black with a 13 star and another small round with brown color. You'll want to pipe these on a flower nail with wax paper so that you can freeze them. Start with a ring of buttercream. And then pipe a small black center with the star. Then the green dots around the black with a number 3. Fill in a little bit with the green. You'll be piping over this with brown later on. For the petals, use the number 103 and the wide end down, coming up and then down on the opposite side. I like to give them a little nick at the top edge to make them look a little more natural. Sorry, I'm going out of the frame a little bit here, but I'll pipe 2 of these for you. I use Italian Meringue buttercream, and the link is below for you. You can use whatever buttercream that you're comfortable with. Now pipe little tubes or stamens with the brown and a small round tip. You can use anywhere from a 1 to a 3. I think this one is a number 2. You can use a leaf tip to make easier petals if you're not comfortable with the 103 petals. One more time. I did the center a little bit different this time by starting with the green ring and then working my way inwards. It doesn't really matter, just as long as you get that look of the black in the center and then a ring of green and then a ring of brown. You'll want to freeze your flowers for at least 10 minutes. I experimented with making a closed sunflower viewed from the side. Leftover buttercream flowers come in really handy sometimes. Save yours in the freezer to use on future cakes. If you'd like to learn how to make all kinds of unique buttercream flowers, join us in our Zoom classes. Click the join button below any of my videos to find out more about becoming a top tier member. Thanks for watching and have a great day.